How to tell if you are using a slow iPhone charger? In iOS 18, Apple has introduced a clever new way to identify if your iPhone charging setup is running at less than optimal speed. The new features appears directly in setting, making it easy to spot when you are not getting the fastest possible charge. The battery section displays slow charger's message when your iPhone detects slow charger in use. You will also see charging periods with an orange bar. This visual indicators appears in both the 24 hours and 10 days batteries usage views. What makes a charger slow? Wired chargers providing 7.5 watts or less power. Standard KY1 wireless charger less than 10 watts. USB ports in cars or hubs. Chargers with multiple connected devices sharing power. Common causes of slow charging. Several situations can slow down your iPhone's charging speeds. Counterfeit charger could be the culprit, or, for example, even some authentic third-party wireless chargers claim MagSafe's compatibility but only delivers standard KY charging speed. If you keep accessories like headphones connected during wireless charging, your device automatically limits power to 7.5 watts to meet safety standard. Running demanding apps, playing graphics in intensive games, or streaming videos at high brightness while charging can also reduce charging speed as your iPhone manages power and heat. Lastly, it's worth bearing in mind that charging in a warm environment may cause your iPhone to temporarily push charging until the temperature falls. Get faster charging speed. To get the fastest possible charging speed, you will want to use a USB-C power delivery charger along with the appropriate cable. USB-C for iPhones 15 and later, or USB-C to Lightning for earlier models. Alternatively, you can option for either Apple's MagSafe charger or any QI2 certified wireless chargers, both of which provides significantly faster charging than standard QI chargers. Apple says iOS several situations can slow down your iPhone charging speed. A counterfeit charger could be the culprit. For example, even some authentic third-party wireless chargers claim MagSafe compatibility but only deliver standard KY charging speed. If you keep accessories like headphones connected during wireless charging, your device automatically limits power to 7.5 watts to meet safety standard. Running demanding apps, playing graphics intensive games, or streaming videos at high brightness while charging can also reduce